ICSE Class 10 Exercise 17.1 Mensuration Cylinder from the book of M.L. Agarwal. Now welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Hello students, now again welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. This is the second video from the exercise 17.1 and today I am going to start from sum number 6. In sum number 6, a road roller in the shape of a cylinder has a diameter of 0.7. So diameter 0.7, that means radius equal to 0.7 by 2, so that equal to 0.35 meter. Okay, and its width equal to 1.2 meter. So as width equal to 1.2 meter, that means it is the height of that cylinder or cylindrical shape of road roller. So here height equal to 1.2 meter. Now find the least number of revolution that the road roller must make in order to level a playground of size 120 meter by 44 meter. So the size of the playground that equal to, that means area of playground that equal to 120 meter into 45 meter. So that means 120 into 44 meter square. So that is the area of the playground. Now first you have to find out the curved surface of the road roller. Okay, so here the curved surface area of the road roller that equal to formula 2 pi RH. So that equal to 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into R and into H meter square. So that equal to, you will get 2.64 meter square. So 2.64 meter square is the curved surface area of that road roller. Now you have to find out number of revolution. So here the number of revolution. To find out the number of revolution, you have to just divide this curved surface area with the area of the playground. So just write down here 120 into 44 divided by 2.64 and then you will get 2000. Okay, so 2000 is the number of total revolution. Next, sum number 7.1. In sum number 7.1, if the volume of a cylinder of height 7 centimeter, so here height equal to 7 centimeter and the volume of the cylinder equal to 448 pi centimeter cube, it's given. Now find its lateral surface area, that means you have to find out the curved surface area and the total surface area. Okay, so now we know the formula of the volume as formula equal to pi r square h. Okay, so pi r square h means 448 pi. So here write down pi r square h according to the problem, where h is the height and r is the radius. So that equal to 448 pi. Now pi cancel out, as h equal to 7, so r square equal to 448 by 7. Okay, so that equal to 64. So here r equal to root over 64, that means 8 centimeter. So here radius equal to 8 centimeter. Now you have to find out the lateral surface area, that means curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area. So formula equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH, that means 2 into 22 by 7. R means 8 and H means 7. So here 7 cancel out. So here 2 into 22 into 8 and that equal to 352. Okay, so 352 meter centimeter square is the curved surface area. Now you have to find out the total surface area. Okay, so total surface area equal to formula 2 pi R into R plus H. So that equal to 2 pi into 8 into 7 plus 8 and then finally you will get 240 pi centimeter square. So 240 pi centimeter square is the total surface area. Here sum number 9. In sum number 9, the area of the curved surface of a cylinder that equal to 4400 centimeter square. So curved surface area. Okay, curved surface area equal to 4400 centimeter square, it's given, and the circumference of its base that equal to 110 centimeter. So find the height of the cylinder and also find the volume of the cylinder. So first let here radius equal to small r and height equal to small h. So as radius equal to small r and height equal to small h, that means here given the circumference of its base. Okay, circumference of its base means circumference, that means a circle which is the base of that cylinder. So we know the formula of circumference that equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r equal to 110, it's given. So here r equal to 110 divided by 2 into 7 by 22 as the value of pi. So here 10 to, so 5, that means 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 centimeter is the radius. Okay, now height. Now we know the formula of the curved surface area, and that equal to 2 pi RH. So according to the problem, 2 pi RH equal to 4400. So next here 2 into 22 by 7, R means 35 by 2 into H, that equal to 4400. So here 22, that equal to 200. Here 2 cancel out. 2 into, sorry, 7 divided by 35. So finally H equal to 200 by 5, and that equal to 40. So 40 centimeter is the height. So 40 is the height and radius equal to 35 by 2 centimeter. Now next you have to find out the volume of the cylinder. So to find out the volume of the cylinder, we have to apply the formula pi r square h. So according to the problem, that equal to pi means 22 by 7, r square means 35 by 2, again 35 by 2, and h equal to 40. Okay, so here 7 divided 30 by 5, now 2, it's 11. So finally you will get 38500 centimeter cube. So that is the second answer from that problem. Next, sum number 11. In sum number 11, a barrel of a fountain pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long and 5 millimeter in diameter. Okay, so 7 centimeter long means h equal to 7 centimeter, and diameter equal to 5 millimeter. Okay, so radius equal to 5 by 2 millimeter. So 5 by 2 millimeter, and that equal to 1 by 4 centimeter. Okay, if you convert this millimeter into centimeter, so that equal to, you will get 1 by 4 centimeter. Now a full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up when writing 310 word on an average. Okay, so just remember that a full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up when writing 310 words. Okay, when you writing 310 words, then the full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up. So that means first you have to find out the volume of the full barrel. Okay, so here the formula pi r square h, so that equal to 22 by 7 into 7, as 7 is the height, then r square means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, and then you will get 11 by 8 centimeter cube. So 11 by 8 centimeter cube is the volume of the full barrel. Okay, so now how many words would you use up to bottle ink containing 1/5 of the liter? Okay, 1/5 of a liter. So first ink in the bottle, that equal to 1/5 liter. So 1/5 liter means 200 milliliter. Okay, 1/5 of a liter, that means 200 milliliter. Now here, so volume equal to 200 centimeter cube. Okay, so first, now number of work or words, number of words written by this ink, so that equal to 200 into 8 divided by 11. Okay, into 310. 200 into 8 divided by 11 into 310, and then you will get 496,000 divided by 11. So that equal to 45090.9. And if you answer correct up to 100 words, so that means here 45100 words. Okay. Next one, sum number 12. Find the ratio between the total surface area of a cylinder to its curved surface area given the height and radius. So here height equal to 7.5 centimeter and radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now you have to find out the ratio between the curved surface and the total surface area. So first you have to find out the total surface area. Okay, so here total surface area equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, and that equal to, you will get 77 pi centimeter square. So 77 pi centimeter square is the total surface area. Now next you have to find out curved surface area. So curved surface area formula equal to 2 pi rh. So put down the value, and then you will get 7 pi into 7.5 centimeter square. Okay, 7 pi into 7.5 centimeter square as the curved surface area. Now you have to find out the ratio. So to find out the ratio, just this one, total surface area by curved surface area. So here total surface is equal to 77 pi by curved surface. So 7 pi into 7.5. So pi cancel out, that equal to 11. So 11 by 7.5. So you multiply with 10, that equal to 110 by 75. So 110/75, that equal to 22 by 15. Okay, so here the ratio equal to 22:15 is the ratio.